Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are finding the standard deviation of a list of numbers. We are inputting a list and then we are finding the standard deviation. I hope you know what standard deviation is, but in case you do not know, I will give you the formula. It's right here on the screen, and let's see how we are doing this. We will be importing a maths module, so that's that, and create the list, input the number, enter number of values to store. Pretty simple. uh, create a sum variable because we need the sum to calculate the average, and create the for loop to input the list of numbers. Yes, we can we can use a simple line for this, but this is better to understand for beginners because we are inputting separately. You can also input in a list using eval or dot split with commas, whatever you want, but I'm doing like this because it's easier for you guys to understand. Append list and appending to the list, l dot append. We are calculating the average right now. The sum to variable, you will see. Let me write for a bit, and another for loop. Number sum to plus equals so this the loop I did right now is the main loop for to calculate, and we are using the math module because for this square root program there's why we should use it. It's better than not using it. You can do it without maths module, it's not of a big deal, you can find it anywhere on the internet, but to shorten things up we are using math dot square root and easier for many people to understand. And now it's just the final print statement. That's it. uh, that's it. Alright, we are going to run the program now. Enter number of values to store. I will write 4 10 14, let's say 10, 12 14 15, and then we get the answer 1.92 something. Now as you can see from the internet, 10 12 14 15, let's calculate and we get the same answer. So the program works. So that's it. There's nothing to it. See you guys next time. Bye.